Hello students, welcome back. This is 6th video lecture of Civics Chapter 6 Political Parties for class 10. In the last video lecture, we discussed that lack of internal democracy, dynastic succession, money and muscle power, and lack of meaningful choice to the voters are some major challenges faced by the political parties. In this video lecture, I am going to explain the efforts and suggestions which have been made to reform the political parties. To reform the political parties, first of all, the constitution was amended because many MPs and MLAs indulge in defection to become minister or for cash reward. The question is here, what is defection? Defection is an act of shifting from one party to another after getting elected to a legislative body. Suppose there are two political parties, A and B, and the leader belongs to A political party. But after election, B will make the government, offering ministry and huge cash amount to the leader. Now this leader can shift from A party to B party for getting the ministry or cash rewards. To prevent such defections, an anti-defection law was passed in 1985. Under this law, if any MLA or MP changes parties, he or she will lose the seats in legislature. Means the leader will be no more MP or MLA. One thing we should know, that if 2/3 of MPs or MLA of a party altogether shifting to another party, it will not come under the defection. The second step has been taken by the Supreme Court. To reduce money and criminal influence, the Supreme Court made it compulsory for every candidate to file an affidavit before the election. Now the question is, what is an affidavit? An affidavit is a signed document where a person makes a sworn statements regarding his personal information. So before the election, the candidate has to file an affidavit giving the details of his property, qualification and criminal cases. Now all the information of the candidates will be in the public domain. Nevertheless, there is no system of check if the information given by the candidate is correct or not. The Election Commission has made another effort. The Election Commission passed an order making it necessary for all the political parties to hold their organizational elections and file their income tax returns. Now the political parties have started following all these instructions, but sometimes it is a mere formality because leaders are not serious about the reforms in political parties. Besides these steps, many suggestions are often made to reform political parties, such as a law should be made to regulate the internal affairs of political parties. And the second is, it should be made compulsory for political parties to maintain a register of its members. Means the registration of members is necessary. The third is, parties should reserve at least 1/3 of the seats for women candidates. As we know that the political participation of women has been very low in India. So 1/3 of seats should be reserved for the women in the political parties. The fourth is, government should give money to political party to support their election expenses. It can be either given in form of cash or in the form of petrol, paper, telephone, etc. This may reduce the influence of money in election. There are other two ways in which political party can be reformed. Firstly, the ordinary people, pressure group, and especially media can put pressure on political parties by raising their voice. Because if political parties feel that they will lose the support of public by not taking up reforms, they would be serious about reforms. Second is, joining the political parties. Simply criticizing the political parties from outside is not enough. People should join the political party if they want reforms in political parties. This is all about the reforms of political parties. Student, this was the 6th and the last video lecture of this chapter. If you watch all the video lecture from 1st to 6th, you will find that I have explained each topic in form of questions answer. So it will be easy for you to understand and write the notes. Thank you for watching.